This picture shows you all of the parts that come with your Osprey. You will also receive a checklist with all of the parts listed that are in your package. There are 3 valves on your Osprey. To release the air in the valve, push down. If you want to lock the valve open, push and turn until it stays open. To release the valve so that it stays shut and holds air, push down and turn to release. To fill your Osprey with air, put the nozzle in the air valve and turn clockwise a quarter of a turn. There are 3 chambers on the Osprey. The recommended air pressure for the center chamber is 11 psi. The recommended air pressure for the 2 outer chambers, or sponsons, is 3.5 psi. The next step is putting the track together. You take one piece of track and the splice. You need to tighten the 3 set screws in the splice to the one piece of track. Once you have those set screws started, you need to grab your second piece of track and slide it on the track splice. And repeat, tightening the set screws. Once you have finished joining the first 2 pieces of track together, just repeat the same thing with the remaining 2 pieces of track and track splice. Once you have your 2 lengths of track put together, pick up one length, making sure that the part of your track splice that does not have any set screws is facing the inside of the kayak. You should slide one end of the track through the neoprene handle all the way to the switch pad on the other end, making sure that the track is centered between the 2 switch pads. Once you finish this, repeat on the other side. Once you are finished that, it is time to install the track mounting brackets. These brackets are the Z-shaped aluminum brackets. They require 3 1-inch track bolts and 3 low-pro wing knobs per bracket. As you can see here, I am laying everything out before installing anything. Once I have everything laid out, I start installing the 1-inch track bolts. I put 1 track bolt in the switch pad and 2 in the track itself, lining them up with the track bracket and then loosely putting on the low pro wing knobs. repeat this process for the other 3 track mounting brackets. Once you have all 4 brackets installed loosely, hand tighten them and then take a pair of pliers and tighten them another 1/2 to 3/4 of a turn. The next step is installing the seat. First thing, set your seat in place, tighten your straps so that the seat back is upright. You have 4 high-low seat brackets. Install these high-low seat brackets into the legs of the seat. In this next step, you will be using the remaining 4 track bolts and low pro wing knobs. Please take note that there are 2 holes in each high-low bracket for the seat. You will be using one 1-inch track bolt per high-low seat bracket. You must install the 4 track bolts either in the 4 front holes of the high-low brackets or the 4 back holes in the high-low seat brackets. Failure to do so will not allow the high-low seat brackets to work properly to go from the high position to the low position. As you can see here, once installed correctly, the seat quickly adjusts from the high to the low position. It will slide back and forth. It will also adjust high in the front, low in the back, or you can bring both up and gain 4 inches of height in your seat. Once you have the seat adjusted where you want it, you can tighten down the low pro wing knobs, ensuring that the high-low seat brackets are sitting properly on the track.